Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. US dollar versus the Canadian dollar before the Canadian retail sales data. The price moved sideways and it has developed a triangle pattern, so escaping from this pattern could bring us new maybe opportunities and trading setups. Support, if you have questions, please read the disclaimer. So let's take a look. So later, guys, the Canadian retail sales indicator is expected to report a 1.3% drop versus 0.2% drop in the previous reporting period. Core retail sales 0.8% drop expected versus 0.7 in the previous reporting period. And also don't forget that the Fed Chair Powell speaks could really have an impact, a big impact also later today. So let's take a look here on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Sideways movement here in the short term, rebound, a retreat, and let's take a look here. Because the price action developed potential maybe triangle in the short term. Right now maybe the price dropped below the support levels, the downside line, but it remains to see how it will react later, guys, after the economic data, because the fundamentals will move the markets, will shake the markets in the short term. And it has retreated a little, it has dropped a little, only because the dollar index it was it is in a corrective phase right now. But as I've said earlier today in that market breakdown video, I've said that this could be only a temporary drop, maybe before jumping higher. And this is my scenario here. Dollar index, after this sell-off, maybe it could turn to the upside. And in my opinion, guys, US dollar, Canadian dollar, and as I've said here, an extended maybe a sideways movement, an indecision in the short term here, but personally maybe I'll wait for the economic data before taking action, only because here I will use maybe this level, and here this level, something like a range, maybe pattern in the short term, and only escaping from this new range, from this pattern, could bring us new great opportunities, because in the short term it could register sharp movements in the both directions, okay, and maybe retesting here, and false breakdown great separation could signal a potential rally, and maybe an imminent breakout and continuation, okay. Or if maybe the Canadian retail sales data will come in better than expected, then maybe we'll have false breakouts here, and then breakdown and downside movement, and the potential sell-off, okay. This is my opinion about here about the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Extended sideways movement, as you can see here, okay. And after reaching this zone, demand zone, rally, a retest, a new rally, and maybe here a potential accumulation before trying to jump higher again, only because the dollar index remains bullish in the short term, despite that sell off. So don't forget that the economic data should move the markets later today. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.